Okay, so this one is the grand finale problem. We need to convert some rates here, and we're going to do a double conversion here. And so it's going to get a little crazy, but it's going to be a good time, trust me. So an athlete ran a sprint of 100 feet in 3.1 seconds, and they want us to convert this thing here. Let's use a highlighter. 100 feet in 3.1 seconds. And they want us to convert this speed into miles per hour. So we need to convert multiple things here. We need to convert the feet to miles, and we need to convert the seconds into hours. So let's write the very first step, always conversion, is to write the original conversion, or the original rate, sorry, in 3.1 seconds. So we have 100 feet in 3.1 seconds. I don't know how fast that is, but we're going to find out. So then we need to start converting it. Now I would suggest converting 1 unit at a time. So let's focus in on this feet part. So the first thing that you need to ask yourself is how many feet are in a mile? I know off the top of my head that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Now, I know that off the top of my head, but you may need to look that up on Google or something. Here, let me show you how to look that up on Google. I was listening to some David Guetta documentary. That's what that is. But so let's go google.com. Let me show you how to do this. So let's say I want to know how many feet in a mile. See that? So when you type that into Google, it says 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Cool. So that's one of them, 5,280 feet. So let's do, so remember we need to decide, is the feet on the bottom or on the top? So I'm going to put the feet on the bottom. Do you know why? Because it allows us to cross out the feet and end up with miles, which is what we want. Okay, so we got 1 down, 1 to go. So now we need to convert the seconds. So do you know how many seconds are in an hour? Let's see, there's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, so that would be 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. Now, pay attention to this because I wrote the seconds on top, and that's because it's diagonal from the seconds on bottom over here. So that allows me to cross out the seconds and end up with hours. So now we got miles per hour, which is what we want. Okay, now we just need to multiply all this stuff together. So remember, the rule is that if the number is on top, you multiply. If the number's on bottom, you divide it. So we need to take 100 divided by 3.1. Okay, then we have 5,280 on the bottom, so we need to divide that. Okay, what's the next number we got? We got 3,600. It's on top, so we need to multiply that. And we get our final answer of, holy smokes, 21.99 miles per hour. So that athlete is running super fast. What, cheetahs can run 60 miles per hour? So we're not as fast as cheetahs, but that's pretty darn fast. That's like Usain Bolt fast. Okay, so hopefully you understood all the steps in this. So you write the original rate, and then you just take it 1 step at a time. So we have 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Write the feet on bottom so the feet cancel out. Then we work on the seconds. So there's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. Write the seconds on top so that those cancel out. Multiply them all together and you get your final answer. Okay, so that's the last problem. When you feel ready for this, then take the quiz on this, and I hope you do well. If you need any help, you can use the book. You can use a teacher, you can use a friend, you can use your grandma. Just make sure you get the help you need so that you can learn this stuff and get way smarter. Okay, see you in section 2.7.